Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, November 17th, and I'm here with the most amazing quilt and yardage to share with you. This is the Indigo Splash Block of the Month made by our own Georgia. She did an amazing job. This is a 95.5-inch square quilt. It's a generous queen size. There are 6 different 15-inch blocks, including a modified Storm at Sea and Star of North Carolina block. Since there are blocks with templates and slightly challenging construction, this project may be best suited for quilters with moderate skills or for very confident beginners who are ready to build their skills. This Block of the Month program is going to begin in January of 23. The first month, you're going to get all of your fabric plus your month one instructions, and then instructions for the remaining months will be available to pick up in the shop or will be mailed to you on the first of each month from February to July. And now over here, I have the fabrics to share with you. If you love the fabrics, but you don't need to make a 95.5-inch square quilt, we have the 2.5-inch strip set. We have the 5-inch charms of all the fabrics, and we have the 10-inch squares of all the fabrics. And then I have all the fabrics to show you here. Let's see. Cool and fresh white is cool. I cannot read. Cool blue and fresh white is a timeless color combination. Indigo Splash is the newest collection from Dina June for Wilmington Prints. The timeless blue and white Indigo Splash fabrics include a repeating stripe, paisleys, medallions, and more. And it really is a terrific collection in terms of color and scale and enough lights and enough darks to make a beautiful quilt, as you've seen right next to me here. There is that fun stripe. Let's open that up. That's used on the border of the quilt here. It's really nice. So at least on the border, you get a little bit of a break, I think. And here's a lovely paisley and a nice medium blue. Ooh, I like this one too. Look at that. Yeah, I was just checking on this quilt to see if it's used for binding, but it's not. But you could. You could. And then we have a nice dark piece here. And then we go into our whites. There's that same stripey piece with a white background. And then we have a white paisley that reminds me of a bandana. That would be a fun dog bandana. And that's nice. That almost looks like shirting. That's fun. And then this looks almost like tie-dye or shibori. So it's a really great and versatile collection. We do have these bolts of fabric in addition to the kits that we've cut for the Block of the Month. The Block of the Month will be available as a pre-sale starting, I think, on the 1st of December. So I'll be sure to link that because I know there are a lot of staff members who want to do this, and everybody's going to be waiting. So if it's not linked in this description, it will be linked soon. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.